manpower, especially with postgraduate studies. We had no any PG first. Even when the university was formed, K.C. Naik was not allowing to start PG here. And Dr. Yeshu Patil used to fight with K.C. Naik. He said, no, all PG should be only in headquarters. No, that is the principle. That's clear. And there was always a tussle for that. When Argeri came, he came to shifted his whole DAPGS here, university. That is the only it was here, only DAPGS. And there were no any PGs at the end of his tenure. More than about 28 PG courses were involved here in this college. Just to see what is the manpower he created for the country, especially for the development. How it goes, that is different. So he created an infrastructure and he created manpower for especially for the country as well as for the state. That is very, very important issue. And there are several things like that to know about his attachment to it. And I remember after he became a Vice Chancellor at Bangalore, he went, after the retirement, he was going through Dharwad. And nobody knows, without informing anybody, he came to guest house. He stayed there for 1 hour. And then later on, he went to his village. Then he started his work. Because he had only two things. He always used to tell, and also in his writings, I have come from the village, I have come for the farm. That's how only two. Always he used to say that. That such a attachment to the science I never have seen in anybody. Not only that thing, he was thinking that Dharwad is insufficient infrastructure to become a university. That was the only thing. Even commission which are done to create our first college, they also had mind to do here, but infrastructure were not there, so they did not agree. After the development of the infrastructure, then mission of Dr. Yeshu Patil was to create all the infrastructure to this Dharwad college. It would become a fit for university, and that is the thing. It became a reality today with all the infrastructure, even our all PG, UG, everything, all infrastructure was in place in '96, and then government of Karnataka, of course, declared it as a university. That's one thing. And not only that one, especially his personal knowledge, he was a very rich man. Yeshu Patil was a rich man. And I just asked here, he had 100 acres of land. He's a rich man and what? But if you see him, very, very simple. All through his life I have seen with a khaki pant and half white slack. So much is simple, I do not know. I have not seen. Perhaps he was following the philosophy of life. That is maybe indirectly it was. All his actions were like that. So that thing is very, very, and I want to say few things. Although he is rich, he was very simple. Very simple, not only that, for spending of money, even Dr. Yeshu Patil was telling some instances yesterday. I too have many, his instincts, everyone should learn about it, and students should imbibe those things. Especially about his simplicity and other things, attachment to the work. Once what happened, I went to his house and we were to go to village for practice. Then immediately I went, it was late, and the doctor came. Then Yeshu Patil, you go, his wife was, you go, you get Silavantar. In the sense, so much is the attachment to the work, attachment to the university, but not to the family. This is a fact I am telling you. Nobody can, you can inspect it. And another very instance, very heart-burning, this one, he had a watch. He had a watch purchased in maybe in States, and it was it has become old. And it was always he was telling, now we were in laboratory, he used to tell, Silavantar, what is the time? Then he used to take it and adjust it. Either it should be behind or it should be, he used to ask us, even when students, when we were, then I told them, sir, we will purchase some watch, new watch. It is very good watch. No. Left it. Then somehow it inside it in such a way that he had come to always see, whenever he used to come after the retirement in his house, he used to call me, because I have to leave him to the bus stand. First, he used to purchase and go to bus stand, and he used to go by bus only, not any transport system. Once he said, no, she will go and purchase watch. It's all right, sir. We will have a good watch, valuable watch. Then we went there. I know what is that shop, and he saw everything. HMT watch. HMT watch. And he showed. And he selected the watch which is 300 rupees. No, it's all right, it was for me. Oh, the rich mercy. He used to say many times, don't spend unnecessarily. Don't spend for luxury. Don't spend for luxury. He was a rich man, he could have done anything. And he was one car he had, a standard car. I don't know whether he brought it from USA or not. And whenever he used to go, he used to call us and take to the city. After that, he did not purchase any car. He was everything. He could have had a best car even after the retirement, so this man never, only one, because like that, his values are such that everyone should emulate, and students should emulate him. There are some people may not squeeze their face, what is my speaking. But whatever it is, when I decided to read, I will read, I will deliver it and then another very important thing for students to learn. He was confessed that Dr. A.C. Patil is not a usual spy or with a high IQ. He used to tell to me, but he used to tell the same thing. If at all you are a average man or below average man, or the intelligence person will be low, but I am also like that. But you can achieve the excellence that is achieved by the intelligent man. I need a hard work. He used to tell, I need to read the class literature and other things. He used to remember 3 times he used to read, and he used to come to the highest level. What I say, you have to work hard and reach to the excellent man. That's what. I think some students used to be always go out of boundary and do many things in the hostel. Some person he has committed a mistake. I will tell you the mistake, whatever it is. But what happened? I was warden. S.U. Patil pushed me to the warden. There was a period, and I wanted that we should be thrown out of the hospital. I was very furious. Yes, sir, disciplinary committee in the DI chamber itself. Again, suddenly that fellow went and fell to the Dr. S.U. Patil. Then, no, we shall not go. And then he told me, please remember, my student friends, please remember this. He said, punishment should not be deterrent, but it should be formative. Give any punishment, he should develop out of its this one. Such is it. You give him punishment. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕಳವಣೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೈ ಕತ್ತರಿಸೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅವನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ಬಡ ಹುಡುಗದಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲ ದೇರ್ ವೇರ್ even for the students, we never used to somehow let the students down at any time. That is his way. Students will have to remember all those things, how he used to develop these students. And there are many. Another thing he used to calculate, that is very important in the life of everybody. If you have got any quarrel, if you have got any fight, he used to say, no, go, don't fight with him. Just fight the fight and do it. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬಂತಂತ ಅದೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಗಾಡ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಬಡಿ, there is a God for you, you go. See, I don't know whether in future we will get such a teacher. I myself say we may not get such a teacher in future. That is the thing. If you have got several things to talk, but it is just like a question I am telling to you. And hostel bill, hotel bill story. Yesterday, V.C. Patil also telling. Whenever he goes, he has to pay the bill. He never used to allow anybody to pay his bill, and he used to take many times to the hotel and other things. Once it happened so, we used to visit some village. There was one student of his. He arranged the food in the hotel. And all our students, we went there and we had a food there in that. At the time of giving the bill, immediately that his student took that bill and he went and paid their money. It was I who was assistant. ನಾನು ಕರೆದು ಈ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ, ಇವರು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ನಾನಂದೆ ಏನಾರಾಗ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಈ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಗೋ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಕೈ ಕೊಡೋದು ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಾರಿ ಪಾವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌ ನೋ ನೆವರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್. Even we used to take him on my scooter many times to the ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ನಾವರ ಆಗೋದು ವಿ ಸಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗಳು ಅವರು ಎರಡರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ಅವರು ದೆನ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಒಂದು because of this very bad atmosphere. Bad atmosphere in the sense everywhere it will be there, no doubt. Wherever human beings are there, things will be there. ಆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, there were some misuse of some materials in the university. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಾಗಲೇ ವಾಚ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಏನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆದು ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರವರು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು,
ವಾಚ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಸರಿ ಐತಿ,
ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂದ್ರು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೆಲೆಕ್ಚುವಲ್ಸ್. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಜೀನಿಯಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಡಿ ನೀನಂತ ಶುರುವಾತ ಪಾಯಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮ್ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಡಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಬ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ in the sense, in the context of misuse of power, misuse of money, misuse of everything, his thinking was like that. That's why I wanted to tell you, it may be right for many things, it may not be, but that was his spirit to do it. This is the thing which you have to learn, or students should learn, or any other people should learn. Then once it had come in such a very interesting situation, I was a PhD student, and I was student and staff also. I was student. Dr. S. Patil was head of the campus, and this your alumni, Students Association program. Maybe our guy, ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳೋ ಟಿ.ಕೆ. ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಅವರು. ಒಂದು ಫಿಶ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನೈತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ ಫಿಶ್ ಪಾಂಡ್. ಏನು ಫಿಶ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಕರೆದ್ರು, ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಟರ್ನ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ಫಿಶ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಳಗೇನೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಓದಿದ್ರು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಎ ಕಿಸಿಂಜರ್ ಟು ನಿಕ್ಸನ್, ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ಕಿಸಿಂಜರ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕಿಸಿಂಜರ್ ಟು ಅವ್ರೇನನ್ನೋದು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕಿಸಿಂಜರ್ ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್. ಪಾಟೀಲ್. ಏನು ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಇರಲಿ ತಡಿಪ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನಾನಂದೆ, ನೋ 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 ನೋ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಕಿಸಿಂಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಸ್. ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಬಟ್ I am very gladly accept as his disciple and what, not anything else. That was my reply. These are some of the things, see, which we really take. At last, there are many issues like that. He is like a ocean, and at last I will tell to you, he was a philosopher of Gandhian. Always used to preach philosophy, and he lived like a Gandhi. That will make us very proud teacher. For that reason, I will tell him many times, he is not at all my teacher, he is not at all my parents, but godfather maybe agriculture god anta naan helbekagutte. In that context, I will always tell him, either Krishi Rushi, ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಋಷಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Not everybody thinks. At last I will tell you, the saying of Guru, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಹಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತ ಅಂತದ ಏನಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಇತ್ತು ವೆರಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, see, I was PhD and many my seniors were competent. ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೆಳಗಲ್ಲ. That has created a lot of turmoil. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂದಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಕೆಲವು ಮಂದಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರದ್ದು ಹುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ದೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಶೀಲವಂತರ ಹುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ದೈತೆ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಜೀರ್ಣ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಪೆರೂರರಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಅದಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ PhD ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ MSc ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ನಾನು ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಐ ಫಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗೇನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಕಡೆ, ಇದೇನು ಅವನು ಸೆಂಟನರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಸೆಂಟನರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Many people, many critics were they were not happy or they don't want to successfully come to. I wouldn't do that what it is. I don't want to say anything. So, in my what I should say, Gopala asked me to write about the issue Patil and your experience. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಬದಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಓದಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ದ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಂಟನರಿ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಾವು ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.